Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, what the Bitcoin done today, guys, it gave us here that red candle today. And if you remember when it came, two candles like that, one green and one red next to it, that indicating there is a big reverse is going to come. And that's what me have been warning you guys all the time. I've been telling you there is a correction going to happen. And as you see it, guys, yes or no, that the power of our analysis, guys, you learn from professional people, that the job of them, not people they never ever trade and they base the trading of them about something we don't know where it is. So now what shall we do, guys? Here in the daily there is nothing yet. If you remember what me I told you need to focus about the weekly. It's need the weekly candle to close like that. So let's go into the weekly to see what is it there. Here we are in the weekly, guys. Here what did I told you? I told you came to those ones like that. And you doing like that, yes or no? I told you it needs the weekly candle to close above the trend line. Now what it's showing, guys? What that candle showing to you here? It's showing it's going down, yes or no? It's going to give you there a pin bar. How I told you me before, I told you it's going to give you like that. And that's what that candle is going. Let's see tomorrow Friday, and tomorrow is the end of the week, guys. That's what us we been talking about all the time. We're telling you also we are under than the 200 moving average, guys. And anything and anyone in the world, when you are above the 200 moving average, is an uptrend. When you are lower than it, you are in a downtrend. And that's what it's saying here. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go back now to the daily. So here in the daily, guys, what I got me in my chart, as you see it, I got here that level here with yellow. And me, I know it, that one is very, very stronger. And me, I told you we are not going to enter unless if it came inside. Because that white one here is a very, very long-term trend, guys. That one also being followed for long, guys. And the Bitcoin it used just to come to it. It touch it, then from that it going up. It's the only time when it break it, guys. That time here. And here in the daily, guys, we still have down here that very stronger level here. We're going to see what's going to happen here. Either from here to go up, or it will not reach till there. It will reach maybe till here. And after that, you're going to see it going up, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now, guys. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. Just a red button down, click at it. You're going to become subscriber. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go in to see the coming news for tomorrow for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys. As you see that the coming news for tomorrow, as you see it, is here. And we don't got something special only here of Japan. And those days, Japan, it got a big impact to the market because the currency of them it's falling, and them what they doing, they do everything they do is against US economic. So you need to make a close eye at them what they are going to do. Plus what we got that one of USA PSI price index, then we got pending home sales, and today the jobless claim it came a little bit positive. That's when it's showing the level of unemployment in USA is getting higher, but not that much, a little bit. Plus the tech companies, all of them, they came red, and that's what it's showing here. Let me show you here in our table, guys. In our table, as you see it here, as you see here, the US stocks, all of them, they are falling today. As you see the SP 500 and the Nasdaq, both of them, they are falling because the tech companies, the earnings of them, they came bad. And all the eyes now is it on Apple and Amazon, what they are going to do. If both of them, they came bad, you're going to see a big falling, guys. And that's what me I told you. And you know the correlation between Nasdaq and the Bitcoin. I'll show you all those things in the previous videos, guys. So you need to make a close eye at it. And another thing, our friend, the VIX, what it's showing today, it stay above then 20, guys. Is it 27.39? It's go up a little bit slightly today. The US dollar index, what's it doing here? As you see it, yesterday it used to be 109. Today we are 110. So it's go up a little bit and doing against what the Bitcoin is doing, guys. I don't want to show it to you because it's going to take us long here. I think everything is too clear. And I got another news for you guys. The miners in USA or Bitcoin miners in USA, they got some difficulty to mine the Bitcoin. And that's what happened in 2008, guys. If you remember, so you need to make a clause at those things, me, I'm telling you. It might, the Fed is doing that for them, but they got problems of energy and the mining is getting more difficult for them. And also we are very close to the halving cycle. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So let's see our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came here, tell that place. And also we said it breaking here, that level. But now it's need to come to here for us to know it's breaking here, that level here. Because that one here, the upper one, is a very, very long-term trend, guys. Now for us to know it's going up, it's need to come here to that trend line from the top. Then it go up to break for us the last high here, which is here. That's how us we're going to know that one is an uptrend and the downtrend is changing from down. Not like that, just to peak here like that, then after that to fall down. That is indicating all that it's just a false breakout. And as I showed you yesterday in the video of yesterday, the liquidation happening for the short traders, it happened only in one broker, which name is FTX, and that will tell you what's happening, guys. It's just a manipulation of the market, guys, from that broker. That's why you see that going up. There is nothing fundamental or microeconomical. It's telling you that things is healthy for the market. Everything it's happened just manipulation from the market, guys, or market makers. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Yes, you. Did you smash the like button? Go ahead and do it. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So helping us to growing up that channel, please. It will not take you that much, my friend. Just pause the video, smash the like button, writing down a comment. It's just a 1 second from your time. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Let's go now to the 4 hours, guys, to see what is it there. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you in the last video? I told you got here a channel. Yes or no? Or a flag like that. Where it's being the broken, guys. Here, down. Look at it. It's being broken. Here. Should you enter short? Yes. Here in the 4 hours, yes, you need to enter short. May I enter in 30 minutes here? In that place here, exactly here. I'm going to show it to you when we come there. Here in the 4 hours, yes, you need to enter short, my friend. Remember my word. Why? I'm going to come to you and tell you everything, guys. The levels you need to make a close eye at them, that one. Here. You see it or no? I will bring it me. From here, here, and here. If you enter short, where you need to put the stop loss here. Take profit of you, it needs to be here to make a close eye at that level and the 200 moving average. Here in the 4 hours, there is a short opportunity, guys. Yes, it might here. Look with me here. Because here you got a trend line, guys. Yes or no? Let me zoom it for you for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, guys, you came to the peak of that candle here, that one, and you draw it like that, a trend line, a up trend line like that. So that one, it might is going to come down till here, to touch here, that trend line, then after that, it's going to go up. For another scenario, guys, what is it? Let me show you my chart. What we got? We got the upper of that channel here. It's need to fall down here, to touch it here from up, and to show us a rejection and to come up to break for us that last high, which is here, guys. That is going to tell us it's going to go up higher. Or another scenario is going to fall down till it will touch here, the trend line us we have here with white. So that breaking here, it's being just a false breakout, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, and I'm going to come back to you after European market close, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification. If we put something new, you're going to be notified, my friend. You've done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's go to see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. That one here, as you see it, guys, when it touch here, what did I told you here in that level? The last 2 videos, guys. You can find them still in the channel. That's the difference between us and other people, guys. It touch here, I told you, guys. From here, it's going to fall down. What's happening now? Look at it, where you are. Now, which levels you need to make close eye at them? You used to have here, that one. It's break it, guys, as you see it. Now you need to make the close eye at that level here. That one in the middle. If it's going to hold or no, or we are going to go down, guys. That's the power of our analysis, guys. And what did I show you? I show you got a hiding divergence in the 4 hours. All those things that the being telling you, the market is going to fall down, and that's what it's showing, guys. It's falling down. Now it is going to come down here till that level here. Then after that, it's going to go up another high. That it will be very, very, very good. Or it might from here to break down and to go to the oversold area again, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying here. We be in here at the overbought area. We got here a price action. I show it to you that channel it's being broken. I told you to enter short. Take profit where it's going to be. When that one enter here to the oversold area, guys. Like how we enter here, if you remember here. That's why also we enter long till here, guys. Till that place where it will reach here exactly. Yes or no? Now from that level here where we enter now, we think the Bitcoin is going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear? Or it might from here is going to go up. And it's going to tell us that one is a false breakout and it's going to hit for us the stop loss. That's a part of trading, guys. But you put it like that. You got here like a down channel like that. It's being broken. If the price it came up and breaking upward here, you enter long and you close in that down order. Everything is too clear, guys? What did I told you? You got here a channel like that. The Bitcoin now it's breaking the down of it here. You're going to enter short and you're going to put stop loss up. If the price the price of the Bitcoin came back up and breaking upward, guys, you're going to close that short order and you're going to open a long order. And the take profit, how you're going to get it? You just bring in that line of the flag, that one, and you put it in the place where it's going to be broken. That means it's going to go till here, guys. Till 23k, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for the 4 hours, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, guys, what did I told you that 2 videos ago? Here, what did I told you? I told you me have been following that wedge where it's going to be broken. Where it's being broken here. In the last video, I told you me from here I enter short, guys. Yes or no? From that place, exactly here I enter short me. What's happening, guys? Look with me. I enter from here till here. And where did I told you need to take the profit, guys? I told you need to here at that level here because that one is a very stronger supply and demand zone. We are very close to take profit, guys. Yes or no? Now here for long, guys, what did I told you for long? I told you got here a flag like that. Here in 30 minutes, it looks very, very nice, guys. It's breaking down here. Yes or no? That one, if you want to enter in the 4 hours. I told you if you enter from here, you put stop loss here. Exactly here. If that one came and breaking upward here again, that man, that breakout down, just a false breakout. It came back upward and breaking upward here. You close the down one and you open the long one, guys. Everything is too clear? Our indicators, guys, what they saying? Let's see them. That one here, as you see it, guys, we be in here at the overbought area. That way me enter short. It's enter here at the oversold. Should I take profit? Yes, guys. I need to take profit now. And I need to look in now for buy opportunities. Did I got any price action to follow here? Yes, you got that one, the trend line. It needs to be broken up for you to enter long, guys. Another thing, what did I told you? Here, we are here at the oversold. We got a price action. Is that downtrend, that one? Second thing, what is it, guys? The level. Where is the level? Is that one? That one is the stronger supply and demand zone, guys. So it needs to fall down to touch that 200 moving average. Then from there, we're looking to buy. Till now, there is nothing of buying here in 30 minutes, guys. But let's see tomorrow, because tomorrow, Friday, there is a big move is going to happen, guys. We need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. The one here, guys, what me I told you before. I told you we got here a divergence. Look at it. Look at the trend of the divergence, how long it's going. It's been here. Now it fall down or no? Yes, it fall down. We are very close to the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? Not the power of our analysis, guys. No one can give you analysis like that. Very, very, very clean and clear analysis and very highly accurate analysis like that. Majority of other people, they just bring in pictures from Google or I don't know from where, and they put it for you there, and they started up at you. Everything is too clear, guys? So, that's it for that video, guys. See you after European market close. Bye for now, guys.